Okay guys, so we've got our subwoofer coax cable pulled to the rear of the room, but as you can see, it is not terminated. So in order to make sure we put an end on this that will go into the LFE input on our subwoofer, we are going to need a couple of things. One, we're going to need an RCA connector. This is just a push connect type fit, and once we strip a little bit of the end off with what's called a rotary stripper, then we'll use this guy to put the coax cable with the end on right in there. And when we push down, it's going to push this closed, so that orange part will disappear, and then it would be very difficult to rip this off. So we're going to show you how to do that real quick. So first, we're going to get our coax. Let's pull a little more slack out of the wall so you guys can see that. And then it might be kind of hard to see with the lighting, but there's two blades in there that are going to strip our coax back 2 different depths. So we're going to put that in there. And then, so we've got our coax and our rotary stripper, and we're just gonna spin this forward 3, 4, 5 times, and we're gonna spin it backwards 3, 4, 5 times. And our rotary stripper did its job. So now we've got our bare coax copper right there, and we're gonna peel back some of this insulation, because this is a quad shielded coax line. So we're just gonna get rid of some of that. That way it's a little easier for our push connect end to go on there. So then we're going to take this guy, put that in just like that, slide it on, give it a good push, and then you can kind of tell that it's gone in there. Again, it might be hard to see from the lighting, but these little spaces right here, if you look in and see the jacket, that usually means that you've got it on there tight enough for the next step, which is going to be our Klein tool that you can use to terminate RCA ends, F connectors, things like that. But in this case, we're going to be using this guy. So we're just going to slide that right in there. Make sure that it gets pressed against this guy. Sometimes I just put my finger over it to make sure it doesn't slip out. And you can kind of see that the orange is disappearing, and I'm gonna squeeze it down here for us. All right. So I don't know if you can see, we'll get this a little bit closer, but maybe a little bit, some better lighting for us. Let's see, maybe it was better there. So now you can see that that orange ring is gone, and now this isn't going anywhere. So now we just have to do the same thing with the other end, and then when this goes from the receiver to the subwoofer, it'll send our signal, and our subwoofer will do the rest of the work for us. So let's head over to the receiver.